Hey everyone, so today I'll be filming a flip through of my new Kikki planner in medium, also called personal size, in coral. So I'm gonna be looking through the planner. You see the strap, it's really different from my file effects that I have currently. So here's my file flex. The file flex is like a thin strap, whereas the Kikki goes a little bit thin to a larger strap. And the size is kind of different. The Kikki planner is a little bit wider, and the rings, you can see that Kikki's planner is way bigger compared to the File Flex, which I wish the File Flex had a bigger ring. I also noticed that the Kikki has 2 buttons, so like I guess how thick your planner is, you can put it in the first hole or the second hole. But what I don't like is that if you put it on the first hole, the second hole indents in, which I do not like, but what can I do, right? I'll have to put like a little thing to prevent the indent, but now I'm just testing out the buttons, the second one or the first one, and we'll see how I end up liking it. Let's open the planner, and as you can see, it's a turquoise, green, bluish tones. There's a notepad, and then there's 2 pieces of paper that introduce you what Kikki is. Instructions of how to clean your planner. So let's go through what's in this planner. It has a couple dashboards. All dashboards are the same. It has a ruler, this week ruler, and then some stickers, more stickers, which are really cute. And then it goes into your calendar of 2020. It goes from December 2019 to December 2020. I'm planning to change out all these inserts to my own inserts. And then the dividers I'm not going to use either because I want the clear dividers, and here's some weeklies. I don't really like the kind of weekly design, so obviously I'm going to change that also, but it does fit to December 2020 inserts. And then it says to do, and then addresses, which I'm taking out for sure, I don't need that, and then expenses, which I will also put different inserts in here, but they do include nice ones. And then birthdays and anniversaries, and then lastly notes. So that's pretty nice. And then you can have another notepad right here, which I'm gonna take out also. I'm looking at like the stitching to see how it looks, if it looks good or not, because I'm kind of particular on how my planner looks. If the stitching is not good, I will not like the planner at all. And now I'm testing out the rings. I really do love these rings because they are really big compared to my file facts. And then I'm just gonna take out that white piece of paper that protects the rings from indenting into your planner. But I really do like the rings. They are really tight and nice, and it's gold, which is not bad. I don't mind gold. Thanks for watching of my medium coral flip through on my Kikki planner. I'll be having the small or the pocket size flip through out as soon as possible.